Now we start the painting section of the course. I make it reasonable sized, for example a print A4. Drawing is making lines and painting is making planes. Both are done with the same tool, brush. When we paint, we just use larger sizes. I select a hard round brush and make it hundreds of pixels wide. From the second row, I check that the rightmost pen button is pushed. Smoothing should be 0, flow 100%. In the beginning, I'll set the opacity also to 100. For the color, I choose black. So now I will paint fully opaque black paint. When I press lightly, the brush stroke is thin. When I press with more force, the brush stroke is wide. Try how hard you need to press to get the thickest stroke. This is the same size than the circle symbol of the brush. So with the same brush, I can get really thin and really wide strokes. Next, we'll utilize a tool we need to use all the time while painting. It's the magical palette knife, the eyedropper. This makes it possible that we can pick colors straight from the painting. We can enter the eyedropper tool straight from the brush tool. When I have the brush tool in use, I can click Alt. This modifies the brush to become the eyedropper. While Alt is pressed, I can click on the canvas. Now the paint color, the foreground color, is white. I Alt-clicked the white background. Because my opacity is 100%, I can fill the blacks with whites. This makes it possible for us to paint to the positive direction, black, and to the negative direction, the color of the background, white. If I want to get the black color again, I Alt-click something that is black on the canvas. Again, Alt-click in the background, getting the white color to the foreground. I paint over most of the black. This positive-negative thinking enables me to paint to the positive direction and remove parts of it to the negative direction. This makes it possible to move the edge of the form. And there is no need for small brushes. This also enables making tight corners. I create a form and shave parts of it to make it a rectangle. I'll paint to the positive direction and to the negative direction to create a triangle. Then a drop shape. Then a thin line with beveled ends. All of these forms with a 300 pixel wide brush. Try making these forms and few forms of your own.